Did you know 70% of energy consumption in commercial applications is due to air conditioning? Pureblu, a solution to high energy consumption, focusing expertise in air conditioning maintenance and energy management. Annual maintenance contracts, emphasizing regular preventive services and unlimited breakdown support. Ensuring durability of machines while reducing energy consumption. Introducing Smart Device, complimentary smart device provided with Pureblu's Smart AMC. Smart Device tracks electricity consumption every 24 hours and sends daily updates, enabling efficient energy management. Review the test reports to identify instances of high electricity consumption, locate areas of wastage, and implement behavioral changes to decrease overall consumption. Call 773-816-2382 for more details. Pureblu, your partner in sustainable cooling and energy management.